flexion with radial, and then we'll do it with ulnar deviation. Okay?
Okay.
It's the same thing, just obviously
Different
the
side.
resistance is
Yeah.
what changes. So the muscles for wrist flexion with radial deviation are going to be flexor carpi radialis and flexor carpi radialis. Sorry, yeah, that's it. Now, the flexor carpi ulnaris does not really participate in the radial deviation. It helps a little bit with flexion, but it's not, the bulk of it is the FCR. So for the practical, you're going to tell me that you're palpating the FCR. Okay? So we're going to position the client. Put your forearm here for me. You are going to be, we're doing wrist flexion, so that means you're going to be completely supinated. Okay? Full supination of the forearm. Okay? You're going to stabilize mid-forearm on the boulder side. You're going to palpate the FCR. Now, the FCR can be palpated basically at the base. If you follow the index metacarpal, you go down to the base, and you could palpate the FCR around here, okay, at the level of the wrist. Now, I'm going to have you go ahead and flex your wrist towards me. You can say towards me. Go ahead. Okay, and that's with radial deviation right there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide resistance on the palmar side of the hand on the radial metacarpals. Okay, I'm going to go the opposite direction, which I'm going to go into. Remember, she's doing flexion with radial deviation. The opposite would be extension with ulnar deviation. So I'm going to push you back into this. Good. And Rosie has a 5 out of 5 manual muscle strength to the FCR.